early morning. (6:30). Silence. Wow. The blue fountain doesn't work. Maybe some maintenance. (6:30). Beautiful park. Flowers. A few days ago I was at Prolece Lake and the park is so beautiful. But the reason of this morning's video is the best kifla in Subotica. Of course, there are so many bakeries everywhere. In each corner of each street there is a bakery or two in the city. So many. But best kifla I will show you where it is, where you can buy it when you are in Subotica, in close to the, in the center of the city. And later on I will show you where you can buy the best pletenica. So that's the topic of this morning's video. It's very calm, very nice. They have just stopped, it seems, the blue fountain. The water is flowing, but the water is not coming up in the air. Okay, so let's go and see the best kifla place. I can see that we have a very beautiful September, a very warm beginning of September. The summer was extremely hot and many people are afraid that the winter will be very cold. Well, we will see. But at the moment the September is very nice. Temperatures up to 27, 28 degrees of Celsius plus, like summer. We just take this street straight down. Towards Radialac. Or we can say towards the Hala Sportova. Is the big sport hall. towards the Dudova Šuma park, the small forest. And here we are, next to the roundabout. And coming close to the bakery called Pekara, Prolece. Prolece means spring, beautiful. Here we can buy the best kifla, you will see. Opa. Dobro jutro. Molit ću 5 kifli.
Može kifle, može lisnati đelek i može perec.
Hvala. Hvala. Doviđenja. Excellent. Look at the best kifla. Supersonic. And now the next topic, the best pletenica.